A is for airplane flying so high. B is for ball that bounces to the sky. C is for cat, so fluffy and sweet. D is for drum with a marching beat. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for frog who loves to play. G is for goat that climbs a hill. H is for hat with a feathered frill. I is for igloo, cold and round. J is for jelly that wobbles around. K is for kite that dances in the air. L is for lion with the golden hair. N is for moon, glowing so bright. N is for nest, tucked in tight. O is for octopus in the sea. P is for penguin, waddling with glee. Q is for queen, with a crown so fine. R is for rainbow, a colorful line. S is for sun that shines all day. T is for train, chugging away. U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for violin, playing a sweet refrain. W is for whale, big and blue. X is for xylophone, making music too. Y is for yarn, soft and long. Z is for zebra, singing along.